Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an easy DIY sugar wax making, and then we will see how it comes out. We'll see whether it will work, or let's just see. I'm so excited because it's my first time trying to do it. I've never actually done it before, so I'm actually wondering itaweza ama let's get into it. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. These are lemons that I'll squeeze out, and this is sugar. I'm going to do half kg of or 500 grams of sugar, and then I'll do 125 ml of lemon. This lemon I'll squeeze out. So guys, here's my sugar. Oh no, focus. So guys, here's my sugar, and then this is my freshly squeezed lemon, and then this is measured water that I'm actually going to use. This and this, the measurements are actually the same. That is for the water and for the lemon, and then this is actually sugar. So guys, we're going to mix all our ingredients in this pot. This is actually a normal cooking pot, and that's our water, and then we'll have to sieve the lemon juice before we put it here. This is the squeezed lemon. As you can see, it is very fine because I've actually sieved it, so you have to add it there. After adding all our ingredients in the sufuria or your cooking jar, you should heat the mixture or boil, whichever word you might want to use, and then you'll have to stir it consistently. This is roughly for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then it should be ready by then. And so while stirring it, you should notice the color change of the mixture. Of course, it will definitely change because of the heat, and what we are looking here is for a golden brown color. And so here we are, yay! As you can see, the color has already changed. It's actually, do you call it brown? Okay, people call it golden brown. It's a bit of brown, and this should tell us it's actually ready. This is typically what it looks like. We are going to transfer it on a container or a jar that you do not use on a regular basis, and then we are going to let it sit for around 15 to 20 minutes until it's a bit warm for the use on skin. So guys, we are back at it. I actually want to try it. Here it is, it's cold. This is after 20 minutes. It's actually warm in a gum. It looks like gum. So I want to try it under my armpits, and then we see how it goes. So 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 you don't necessarily have to have a stain like this to apply wax. You can actually use your hands and spread it on the place that you want to remove the hair. For the stripes, for those who are wondering, I actually cut it from a piece of cloth, a piece of shirt that I don't wear anymore. You can do the same. It's economical. Ouch. I'm sorry, good people, but I really tried to work it on myself and I couldn't finish. I think I tend to find it a bit painful, but maybe I can have somebody do it for me other than me personally doing it on myself. I think that way we can have better results. So on my, probably on the next video about waxing, I'll do this. I'll do that. I'll actually call someone that can actually wax me, and then you guys can see the efficiency of the sugar wax. Thank you. We are a bit done, but it's painful. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, subscribe to this channel, and also share, and be kind enough to leave a comment on the comment section. Till next time, thank you.